Data management is a crucial concern for everyone. Any case that you simulate or design is likely to be very confidential. With the Data Overview tab on the platform, you can visualize where your data is being stored at any moment. For cases that are not running on the supercomputer, so that is the cases that have just been created or cases that have finished, you see in which storage service your data is located. For running cases, you can as well see on which supercomputer your case is running and where that supercomputer is located. For example, let's look at the first case that I have on this page, which is designed to temperature minimization. I can see the size of my data, and I can also see which storage service my data is being stored at, which in this case is the IBM Cloud Object Storage. When I hover over this icon over here, I can also see the security encryption level of the storage solution. Because this is a running case, like I mentioned previously, you will be able to visualize which HPC or supercomputing resource it's running on. In this case, that's the compute service, and that is also located in Europe. Other than this, you can also see which one of your colleagues has created this case and the number of people who have access to this case. If you're an admin user, you can also adjust the rights of different cases and choose to delete all your data.